Hi, I have another movement of the day post for you. Your moth for today is the continuation of the Heckin neck hacks post from a couple weeks ago. Post 1, we used the hack of a towel in order to provide extension and traction of the neck. Today we will continue with the towel and we will focus on rotation, which is simply just turning our head to the left or to the right. So if you have any stiffness in doing that or differences in your range of motion, then this is definitely for you. The towel size that we need today is really just your smaller hand towel. Again, I like to take the opposite corners in order to coil it up. You can also remain seated or standing for this one. I'm going to remain seated so that I'm in the camera frame. And the most important thing to keep in mind when we're doing this is the concept that as our vertebrae turn to the left, the muscles that attach to the vertebrae that provide that movement will actually twist the opposite direction. And that will make sense once I show you what I'm talking about. To start, place your towel behind your neck. You could actually literally palpate and see if there is a tender spot for you to focus on. So once you have your towel there, if we're going to turn to my left, it will be your right side towel that's going to pull forward to assist that rotation. So same thing if we're turning to my right, it will be the left towel that provides that twist as you pull forward. Again, nothing should be a hard yank. Everything is the same as before where we're using the feel good as your cue. Everything should feel good. At the very least, provide some release and relief. Now, the other way that you can hold the towel is to cross your hands. So if we take the right arm with the left towel or vice versa, the other arm will come over and across, and we will now be able to pull up and across at this angle. Again, just to provide some additional angles and tensions for you. And if we're gonna go in the opposite direction, we'll just switch hands. Do this with your chin tucked, overall good posture, ear over your shoulders. And even if you don't have any neck issues or stiffness right now, it should still feel really good and something that you could easily tack on to some of the other desk movements that we've covered. So I hope you give this a try. This is Jen signing off, reminding you to start where you are, do what you can, use what you have, and move something.